Can you become rich just by thinking? Is success just luck, or is there a real formula for wealth? If you're tired of struggling financially, this video can change your mindset and your life. I'll share 5 powerful success principles from Think and Grow Rich, plus a secret technique at the end that can shift your financial future. Principle number 1, burning desire. Success doesn't come from just wanting it. You need a burning desire. Be specific about your goal. Saying, "I want to be rich," isn't enough. Write down exactly how much you want and by when. Example, Bill Gates didn't just want success, he had a clear mission. A computer in every home. That vision fueled his rise. Principle number 2, faith and visualization. Wealthy people don't just work hard, they think differently. Every day, visualize your financial goal as already achieved. Close your eyes, see it, feel it, believe it. Affirmations help too. I am financially free. Money flows to me effortlessly. When your mind believes it, your actions will follow. Principle number 3, specialized knowledge. General knowledge won't make you rich. You need money-making skills like business, investing, or high-income skills. Wealthy people never stop learning. They master skills that directly create wealth. Ask yourself, what skill are you developing right now? If the answer is none, start today. Principle number 4, decision and action. Success comes to those who make decisions and act. Right now, decide. Will you start investing? Will you build a side hustle? Will you develop a high-income skill? Winners don't wait for the perfect time. They create it. Principle number 5, Mastermind Group. Your environment shapes your success. Surround yourself with wealthy, ambitious people. Learn from them, adopt their mindset, and elevate your game. If you spend time with negative, broke people, you'll stay stuck. Change your circle, change your future. The secret, reprogram your money mindset. This one technique can transform your financial reality. Auto-suggestion. Write down your financial goal as if it's already achieved. Example, I am earning $10,000 per month. Read it daily with belief and emotion. Feel it as real. The mind doesn't distinguish between imagination and reality. Use that to your advantage. Your next step, drop a comment. What's your biggest financial goal? I'll reply with a strategy to help you achieve it. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for real success strategies. Your success starts now. Are you ready?